I am B.Kavitha, Department of Computer Science in Theivanai Ammal Arts and Science College for Women, Autonomous, Villupuram. Today, we are going to discuss about data mining and warehousing. Introduction. This presentation explores the fundamental concept of data mining, its functionalities, classification method, applications, and provide insights into data warehouse. What is meant by data mining? Functionalities. Data mining refers to the process of discovering pattern and extracting meaningful information from large data set. Key functionalities of data mining are included classification. Classifications mean yes or no types. Okay. Clustering means grouping the data using the structure, shape. Regression association rule mining and anomaly detection. These techniques help analyzing data, predict trendings, and make information decision from the large amount of data. That data are stored in the data warehouse. What is meant by classification of data mining? Classification in data mining include assigning items into the data set to target categoricals or classes. It is the supervised learning. Supervised learning means that the data has the label. That means that have the named what types of data or what kind of data, what is the behavior, what is the attribute that are presented in the data. That means supervised learning. Supervised learning method where algorithm learning from labeled data set. Before I mentioned labeled data set to predict class labels for new unseen data. Common classification. Common classification algorithm include decision tree, neural network. Neural network is the one of the major and brain of the data mining and the supporting vector machines. And this labeled data set is used to predict their unlabeled data using their shape, structure, behavior, attributes. These are using for unlabeled data to identify the what kind of data this. These are the classification of data mining. Applications. Data mining has diverse applications across various industries, include financial for fraud reduction, healthcare for patient diagnosis, marketing for customer segmentation, and retail for inventory management. By leveraging data mining, business can uncover valuable insights and enhance operation effectively. What is meant by data warehouse? Data warehouse is simply we have defined the huge amount of data are stored in the repository is called the data warehouse. Data warehouse is the in the scenario now we are going to discuss. Data warehouse is the centralized repository that is stored integrated data from multiple sources. Data are collected from the multiple sources like an benchmark or government website. It enables organization to consolidate, analyze, and retrieve vast amount of data effectively. This system support decision making process, provide user with a single versions of the truth and facilitate the generation of the report and analysis. Architecture. The architecture of the data warehouse typically consists of three main components: the data source, the data warehouse itself, and the front-end client interface. What is extracted from various sources system? Transformation into a suitable format and loading into a warehouse, ETL process. Users that access the data through analytical tools and applications to perform queries and generate report. ETL is the one of the major process before we store the data in the data warehouse. ETL, E means it denotes the extraction. We collected the data from various sources. In this process, we extract the useful information depend upon our needs. Transformation is transfer the data into the suitable format for our convenient or for our project based. Loading is the final process. Extracted and transferred data are loaded to the data warehouse. These are the major process performed in the data warehouse. Benefits. Data warehouse offer numerous benefits including improved data quality, faster data retrieval, and enhanced business intelligence capabilities by consolidating information from disparate sources. Organizations can gain comparative insights into their operations. This leads to the information decision making and competitive advantages in the marketplace. What is meant by data preprocessing? Data cleaning. Pre-processing means prior process is called pre-processing. Data cleaning is the major process. What is meant by data cleaning? In data warehouse, we are collected the data from various sources. Okay, no, so various data duplicates or different types of data or repeated data or empty missing values data are presented in the database. In this process, we clean the data means effective data are only present in the data warehouse. Other than that, we are removing the data. Data cleaning is the crucial step in data pre-processing that involve identification and correcting inaccuracy, inconsistency and missing values in the data set. Techniques include removing duplicate. Before I say removing duplicate, handling missing data though improbable or removal, and a standardized format. This process ensures the quality and reliability of data for analysis. Data integration and transformation. Now in this step, we cleaning the data, so the data are separated. Now we are integrated. Integrated means combine the data, merge A, B. We merge A and B, and that process is called integration. Transformation means we already know that. Transformation means we extract or we transform for the suitable format is called a transformation. Theoretically, data integration involved combination data from different sources to provide a unified view, while transformation refers to the converting data into the suitable format for analysis. This may involve data aggregation, normalization or encoding categorical variable. Proper integration and transformation are essential to ensure that data is considered and can be effective analysis. Data reduction. What are the major steps for data reduction? Mean aim to reducing the volume of the data. Data reduction aims to reducing the volumes of the data while maintaining its integrated and usefulness. Technique included dynamically reducing such as principal compound analysis (PCA) and data aggregation. By reducing data size, organization can improve process speed and effectively. Data reduction main purpose is the process is high speed and effectively, so only we reducing the data, allowing for quicker insights and decision making. Decision making is one of the play vector role in the data mining process. Now conclusion. In conclusion, data warehouse and pre-processing are the fundamental component of effective data management. They enable organization to maximizing the value derived from the data, enhancing analytic capability and support information statistical decision. Thank you.